In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted drafts on Instagram, what you need to do is to open the Instagram application. Click on your profiles icon at the bottom. Then click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screens. Click on your activity. Now scroll down and click on this last option, download your information. Tap on request a download. Select your Instagram account and click on next. Then click on this select types of information option. Select all and click on next. Now all you have to do is to click on the submit request option. And after you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted drafts on Instagram will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted drafts on Instagram will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.